Hey family, welcome to the Being Allycaral vlog. I'm Alisha Fernandes, and well, today we are going to bring before you something hatke, something different. By now you must have guessed it, looking at the thumbnail. Yes, today we are going to do something different from all the other videos that we have done so far. If you have seen the previous videos, they're all about travel. In this particular video, we are going to bring before you how to tie a tie. So guys, what's the delay? Let's get started. The first type of knot that we will be tying is Windsor. First of all, take the tie and put it around your neck. It has two ends, wide end and a narrow end. Now for our understanding, these both ends are important to be renamed and thus we have highlighted it. So, first of all, adjust the tie in such a way that the narrow end is at your chest level. Now, take your wide end over your narrow end. Take the wide end in your neck loop in a way that the front side of the tie is facing the viewers. Next, take the tie from below the knot that you created to a way that it is towards your right hand side. Now, take the tie into the neck loop again, and this time around, it would be the back side of your tie facing the viewers. Pull the narrow end to get a proper formation. Next, take the wide end over your left to right and make sure you've kept two of your fingers in the loosely held knot so that you could remove the wide end from the loosely held knot so as to get your Windsor tie knot. Adjust the same, pulling your narrow end and adjust your collar, and there you go, you're all ready. Next, we have the Eldridge knot. All you got to do is put the tie around your neck. The wide end will be towards your right hand side, while the narrow end will be on towards your left hand side. Adjust the length of the wide end in such a way that the same has to reach your belt. Make sure you get this point right, or else the whole exercise has to be done all over again. Now, step 1 is to take the narrow end over the wide end and wrap the same from right to left. Further, take the narrow end, take it around from one end to the other and remove the same from beneath the tie into the neck loop. And repeat the same thing with the other side. Take the narrow end, over the knot and take it out from the neck loop. Next, take the narrow end from below the neck loop so as to it reaches the other end. Make sure the loop that you created towards your right hand side is a bit loose so that the narrow end can pass through it. Now take the narrow end into the neck loop, first towards your right hand side and then towards your left hand side. The extra portion, put it into the neck loops and take it just below your collar so as to the same is tucked in properly. Adjust the same and there you go, you're ready. Four in hand, one of the most simplest and commonest types of tying a tie knot. Take the tie around your neck, wide end and the narrow end again. Take the wide end over the narrow end. Now take the wide end from left to right, which would show the back of the tie to the viewers. Wrap the same from right to left. While doing so, keep two fingers on the knot and take the wide end through the neck loop. Now remove the wide end from the loosely held loop where your two fingers are. Adjust the same and there you go. 4 in hand tie style you have learned. Wasn't that simple, guys? we learned around 3 different types of tying a knot. I had an amazing time making this video for you. Do like, comment and share. We have got amazing response and completion of our 120 days challenge of posting every day, which I've already made one special video. Please do watch that one as well. And yes, our Facebook family is increasing and we are hoping our YouTube family. Okay, many people were confused about how come the term family was invented. It is actually, as it is a video medium, and video plus family together becomes family. So we are hoping that our YouTube family too will increase. For that, our first time visitors have to hit the subscribe button. Those who have already subscribed, tell your neighbors, their children, their relatives, friends, families to hit the subscribe button of this channel. How to do that? It's simple. Here comes a subscribe button. Well, that's it from this video. We will get back to you with several more interesting videos. So till then, be happy, stay safe, enjoy the monsoons, and here's wishing all the dads in this world a very happy Father's Day. And keep watching your favorite Being Allycaral vlogs.